And stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth when it comes to expressing yourself online. You may think you're just sharing your opinions and experiences, but as Contact 13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears found, your words could come back to haunt you.
Awesome sushi,
meth food, and even worse service.
good pizza, and
They did a killer job.
We'll never use them again.
Would recommend him to my friends and family.
You really do not have the freedom to share that information, that you could be sued.
In 2014, Ray Kay had a bad customer experience with bankruptcy attorney Anthony DeLuca. She wrote about it on Yelp under her first name and last initial.
I felt like other people needed to know.
We're concealing her identity because in a case titled DeLuca and Associates versus Individuals 1 through 100, Anthony DeLuca filed this subpoena, trying to force Yelp to reveal personal account information for her and 4 other reviewers.
So we have a right to know that these are actual clients and not, some bitter competitor that's putting nasty things on the internet about us.
Are you trying to get the negative reviews taken down?
Well, what business isn't?
Are you trying to sue people into silence?
Have I sued anybody, Darcy?
The answer is no, at least not yet. But the threat was enough for Ray.
I was frightened. I cried. I was angry.
Ray's review began with the comment, "You will not speak with an attorney again after your case is filed." She also reported a long wait time and a boiler room atmosphere. Her complaints are similar to others. In fact, a federal judge has called DeLuca's firm a bankruptcy mill.
So you're saying that 2 cases out of 25,000 gives the accurate impression?
DeLuca has been formally reprimanded twice.
There were 2 sanctions. Both of them involved clients who committed absolutely horrendous frauds against other people.
But a federal court found DeLuca did wrong too. In fact, 2 courts did. In 2013, he lost his appeal of a 2012 sanction and found himself at the butt end of a harshly worded review.
U.S. bankruptcy judge Bruce Markell wrote, DeLuca violated his duty to the public by practicing in a manner that erodes the public's trust in attorneys. He treats all clients the same, creating the impression that attorneys are more interested in fees than solving individual clients' problems.
He can't go after the federal courts, so he goes after the little people.
In September 2014, Socrates G posted a Yelp review about having to wait a long time, much like Ray's complaint. About DeLuca, he originally wrote, "Apparently, my time isn't worth his time." Then, on September 17th, 2015, just over a week after the subpoena was issued, he modified his post, adding, "This is all my personal opinion. There is no slander involved in my opinion. I am editing it because I am being sued for free speech by the law office."
If you hide behind an anonymous tag and just start throwing bombs at people, then what do you expect to come out of it?
DeLuca says he's just trying to protect his firm and its reputation.
I don't really like the impression that we're bullying people.
But instead of reaching out to Ray on Yelp, his first step was filing a subpoena.
Why go right to court instead of responding and trying to engage in a dialogue?
Okay, so if somebody personally attacks me, then it's my job to go and appease them? I mean, this is what's talked about when they talk about the extortion and bullying on Yelp.
Yelp objected to DeLuca's subpoena, and he hasn't pursued it further. Yelp's resistance failed in a similar case in Virginia, filed by a carpet cleaning company. The court there forced Yelp to reveal reviewers' personal information. Yelp condemns businesses who seek to intimidate and chill critical speech. As for Ray, the chill has permanently set in.
I took the review off of there, and I will never participate in giving a Yelp review again unless it's a good one.
Darcy Spears, Channel 13, Action News.
And we'd like to hear from you. What's been your experience when you post a bad review online? Post your comments on our Facebook page. We look forward to hearing from you.